Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This video is for those that just purchased their awesome 2022 Honda Accord Sport Hybrid. I'm going to show you guys how to set up your vehicle settings so everything's set the way you want. So when you arrive to the dealership to drive right off, everything's set for success. All you have to do is show it off. You guys have any questions, you know what to do, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions for you guys. Now let's go customize all your vehicle settings so everything's set the way you want it, okay? Let's get going. All right, so here we are right inside the Honda Accord Hybrid Sport at the moment. We're at the home screen, as you guys can clearly see. Just hit the home button. There we are. We're going to select settings. From settings, we're going to come down to vehicle. Then we're going to start from the top and work our way down. So if you ever get a tire pressure light right up here, as just randomly popped up right now, it went off. That's what it looks like. You can reset your tire pressure. All you have to do is hit the tire pressure, hit calibrate, and then boom, it resets it. All right, so make sure it's up to where it needs to be at. Next thing we're gonna have is your driver's assist system setup. This is where we can customize a lot of your Honda sensing features, all right? So the first thing that's gonna pop up is your traffic sign recognition system. So as you're driving down the road, right, it'll throw up the speed limit sign right up there in the center. So let's say it's 35, boom, 35 right up there as a reminder. This is where you can turn that on or off. You know what, I like it on, so we keep it on. And there's no right or wrong answer as we're doing this. It really kind of comes down to cater to your particular likes and wants and needs, okay? Now you're gonna have your forward collision warning distance. You have a couple different options. As you're driving down the road, it senses that you're gonna hit an object or something. Well, what I like about the hybrids, it shows you right here a little summary. So as you go back to referral, it's gonna be pretty easy, all right? So I'm going to keep it on normal. I don't know the exact distance or recall the exact distance, but you can referral to your owner's manual from there. It'll give you the exact. Honda has it set to normal for a reason, so let's keep it on normal, okay? Now we get your ACC, forward vehicle detection beep. That's your adaptive cruise control. So as you're driving down, you have your adaptive cruise control on. It finds a car in front of you. Do you want it to give you a little beep noise as, hey, I found a car. This is why we're slowing down. Yeah, let's turn that on. You have your lane keeping assist beep. Let's select that. So pretty much as you're driving down the road for your highway driving between 45 and 90, you grab your lane a little bit as it brings you back or warns you. Do you want it to beep at you? Yeah. Now maybe in the future I'm going to be a really bad driver and I don't want to hear all the beeps to remind me, but you always can come back and you change all this stuff as you see fit, all right? You get road departure. So now you have a couple options right here. So simply as you're involved with your lane keep assist, you go off the road, out of your lane a little bit. How sensitive do you want it to bring you back and recenter you? You can have it normal, wide, narrow it down a little more, or have it as warning only so it won't bring you back. You know what? I'm going to keep it on normal. Driver's attention monitor right here. So the car is going to know when you're doing a really bad job at driving that you really should pull over and take a break for your safety and other people's safety too as well. I want the vehicle to do everything in its power to fully alert me that I'm at that point. So we're going to keep it right there. Why not? Most likely you guys have never experienced this. You got the back button right here. Now we're done with all the safety features there. We're going to come down to meter setup. Select that. We got language. We got a couple options there. Obviously I'm going to keep it on English because that's the only thing I can read. So let's go from there. The outside temperature. That's going to be right here in the center. You can see it's 53 degrees at the moment. But if you want to fine tune this, you can. 5-degree swing either way. You get your rear seat reminder. So let's say I got my kids with me. They're jumping in and out of the back seat there. Maybe I open up the back seat door to put stuff in there, right? Now I shut the car. If someone opens up that door, then I shut the car, it will have a little thing right up here saying, hey, check the rear seat. I'll throw a photo right up there so you guys see a visual, okay? So I'm going to keep that on. You get adjusted alarm volume. Well, it kind of tells you right here. You get open door warnings, turning indicators, buzzers, you know, stuff like that. We'll keep it on the default. You get your reverse. So pretty much reverse alert sound. And every time I put the vehicle into reverse, it emits a noise. So I'll be alert and seeing with the people around. You got your panel right here, so I can choose right here on what I want up here as I'm scrolling right now. Well, I can't scroll right now because I'm in here messing around, but let's back out of that. And as I'm scrolling around down here, okay, it's just simply yes or no. You got your fuel efficiency backlight. So once again, as we're driving down the road, you get this beautiful white light right up here. It's going to be beautiful because it turns the color green, as in, you know, being fuel efficient. Then when you're not being fuel efficient, it goes from green to white. So as us being idle now, we're not being fuel efficient. But we'll change colors, I promise, as long as you have this feature on right here. We'll keep it on. You got your trip A, trip B. When do you want those to reset? All right, 3 options there. Pick what works best for you. Trip B is going to be the same exact thing, okay? Now, you guys can switch back and forth between your trips by hitting this button right over here. Then it will show it right up there for you. Trip B, miles, trip A. You got your speed and distance right over there. If you want to change that, you got a couple options. Now, that's everything in these meters set up. We're going to come down to keyless access setup now. You get your door unlock. So we got the key fob in your purse, your jacket, whatever the case is. You come up here, you put your hand in the handle, right? Which of these options you want your doors unlocked? You want just the driver's side for safety? Well, all doors, because, you know, everyone's always with you jumping in and out of the car. I'm going to keep it on that one. Now, there is going to be a delay as you put your hand in the handle. Just want to share that with you guys. So with that being said, do you want the lights to flash to let you know, hey, the doors have unlocked or doors have locked, stuff like that. I like that. I like the visual effects. And then, you know, why not? Let's get a little beep noise. So let's get a little beep. It says a beep. Door's unlocked. So Cameron, my 5-year-old, will be trained to open up the door handle and not yanking on it at that time. We got remote start right here. So simply, do you want to have the capabilities of using remote start on your key fob? Let's do it. I can't think of a reason here in Iowa not to have that enabled. Now from there, we're going to come down to lighting setup. Start from the top. You got your auto light sensitivity, as it kind of shows from right there. So I got my lights over here on auto. Make sure it's there. That's what we're talking about, okay, for auto light. How soon do y'all want those to come on? We'll keep it on medium. So now you got your interior lights. Adjust the brightness of those. We'll keep it on the default. Auto headlights on when wipers. So simply, long if I have my headlights on auto, I turn on my wipers, then boom, the headlights will automatically come on. So I like that. Let's do it. Now we're going to have headlight auto timer. So simply, let's say we shut the car, we shut the door in X amount of time, these headlights will turn off, okay? So I can think of a reason to change this. Let's say I work late, right? I get to work late at night, it's not a well-lit area, I shut the car, maybe I need 30 seconds. Or maybe I don't have much lighting around the house, stuff like that. So it gives me a little extra time to see where I'm going. You got your interior light dimming time, same exact thing. We shut the car, shut the door in X amount of time. Maybe I need 30 seconds to grab my supplies, make sure the kids all get out just fine, and then the lights will turn off, okay? Now that's everything from that point. From there, we're going to come back. We're going to scroll down a little more. You have your door and window set up. You got auto door lock. So here we are. We just got in the car, about to start it up, about to drive away right now. When do you want your doors to lock? We have speed when you shift from park. Select what you guys see fit. So we got the key and remote. All right. So this is the key fob. So we hit unlock once. Do you want all doors to unlock or driver's side door? Now, a lot of times when I share that, if you double tap unlock, all doors automatically unlock. So let's do it this way. For safety, maybe it's just me. I hit it once. Perfect. Just the driver's side. I hit it twice. All doors automatically unlock. Now, when you hit lock, right, do you want the lights to flash to let you know? Or where you hit unlock? Yeah, I like the little visual, little confirmation. You got your security timer. So let's say we hit unlock on the key fob. No one opens up a door. Excuse me, opens up a door in that X amount of time. It automatically relocks all the doors. So 30, 60, or 90 seconds. You know what? I'm going to be nice to the kids. We'll put it at 60 seconds. Now you got your auto door unlock. So this is really comes down to what kind of driving you're going to be doing. For example, if it's just me, none of this really matters because it's just me in the car. Now, if it's my wife, she does a lot of kind of airing, kind of, you know, the glue for the family, keeps everything organized. So I can see her put it down to shift to park because she dropped the kids off, does a lot of errands running, do a lot of family stuff in her vehicle, all right? So either of these guys, it will work best for you. Just click what works, hit save, and there we go. We get the walkaway auto lock feature. So I'm going to turn this on. I like this for myself. So let's say I got the key fob with me. I shut the car, walk away with the key fob, get 10 feet away. Boom, all doors automatically lock. I don't have to second guess myself. Did I lock the doors? Did I not lock the doors? What's going on? Only negative thing I can think about this, if I want to pretend that I'm playing around in the garage to escape the whole family or anyone, I have to go get the keys and have them close by so I can get in and out of the car pretending that I'm busy. All right, that's the only negative I can think about. I'm going to turn that on, so once I'm done, park this car, I know it's locked. Now, from there, we're going to have your maintenance. Oops, there we go. So like oil changes, any other services, stuff like that, it's going to be right there for you guys. So pretty nice and easy from there. Hey guys, thanks again for watching my video. Hopefully it was very helpful to answer all of you guys' questions. Feel free to show your support by hitting the like or hitting the subscribe button to check out my next videos, all right? Once again, congratulations on your new Honda Accord Sport Hybrid. Talk to you guys later.